Hello, I'm Fernando from Smart Restaurant Supply. Day in and day out, you demand the most from your fry pans. If you don't have good fry pans, you might experience warping, uneven food results, and ultimately, just inconsistent quality. Vollrath fry pans are the industry standard in durability and maximizing your profits and efficiencies in the kitchen. When you get a Vollrath fry pan, you also get a variety of innovative features that you can't get anywhere else. For example, Vollrath uses an EverTite riveting system, which won't loosen over time, and in fact, some of these pans also have a Jacob's Pride lifetime warranty against loose rivets. The handle has a Trivent design, which won't allow heat to travel up and always maintains pretty cool. The silicone coating is heat resistant up to 450 degrees, so you can actually bake these pans too. Smart carries the Wherever series of these pans, which are made of aluminum in both non-stick with a double coating and natural finish. Last but not least, Smart also carries the Tribute line, which features stainless steel construction with an aluminum core for easy and even heating in both natural finish and non-stick. If you like this video, visit us on social media or on our YouTube channel, and there's more videos waiting for you. If you want to shop Vollrath fry pans or a multitude of other restaurant supplies, you can walk right into any one of our 15 Superstore locations today or shop online at asmart.com. Looks like order up!